Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use data validation in Google Sheets. Data validation is a powerful feature that helps maintain data integrity and consistency in your spreadsheets. It allows you to define specific rules for what can be entered into a cell or range of cells. This prevents errors, ensures accurate reporting, and makes your data much more reliable. We'll cover everything from basic setup to advanced techniques, making your sheets more robust and user-friendly. To set up basic data validation, select the cell or range you want to validate, then navigate to the Data menu and choose Data Validation. Here, you can select criteria like list from a range to create a drop-down or number to restrict entries to whole numbers between, say, 1 and 100. You can also set rules for dates, ensuring entries fall within a specific period. This simple step significantly improves data quality. Beyond basic rules, you can implement custom formulas for more complex validation, such as ensuring an email address contains an @ symbol. You can also add an input message to guide users before they even type, appearing when a cell is selected. Furthermore, choose your invalid data action. Either show warning to allow invalid entries with a flag or reject input to completely prevent incorrect data from being entered. These options provide greater control. Managing your validation rules is straightforward. To edit an existing rule, simply select the validated cell and reopen the data validation dialog. You can modify the criteria, input message, or error alert settings. If you need to remove validation from a cell or range, select the cells and click Remove Validation in the same dialog. Regularly reviewing and updating your rules ensures your sheet remains accurate and efficient, adapting to evolving data needs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.